take your car, Patrick?
Yeah, bro.
A Jetta to a Beamer show?
That shit bro wasn't pops in second gear.
No, it doesn't.
Bet, I'm gonna go get it right now.
Anyways, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. We're headed over to 412 Motorsports. So there's a big car meet going on. I saw it all over Instagram. I was like, yeah, I'm off. Might as well go. This fool called out probably. He's getting fired.
No, I was off. I was gonna take my Volkswagen 400 horsepower Jetta.
Nah, this was fired. This was gonna call out.
Never.
Anyways, I told these fools to get here like at 6. No, just kidding. I just woke up, and it says we're gonna get there 11:34. That gives us 30 minutes to, wash the car. Cause it's gonna be like a what, 3-hour and 38-minute drive.
4 hours.
We get there, we have to find a little car wash. We have to wash the car, get it nice and clean. It's looking clean right now. I don't know why Alex is going hella hardcore detail, even though I just told him to do tire spray right now. Cause it's literally gonna get hella dirty in the 3 hours drive. But alright, it's cool. Let him do his thing. But we're getting it all ready. We're getting it nice and clean. And then, should we get E85? Nah.
Yeah, we need an 85. Alright, we're gonna go against Mustangs and
what the fuck? With the 2.5 right now, I pull on Mustangs.
Bad.
I don't know about the new 5.0s, but
I'm like, so kind of hard.
anyways, nah, I don't think I'm gonna do 85. Cause I don't know what 85 stations are out there. I don't want to be left out of gas.
Yeah, well, what's it called?
My tablet's fucking up too.
My Nick has a little bit.
3 hours later.
There's like a small little spot. Try to see if you can merge in with that.
You should have seen if there was more parking over that side.
Hey, so we're here. We parked hella far away because we're super late, but it's whatever. At least my car's not gonna get hit. Fuck. The sad thing is we cleaned it for nothing because we're super far away from the actual meet.
Just follow over the GT. I want to go park.
Nah, it's whatever's honestly. Like if we find a spot, we'll move it forward. But if not, then not. But Patrick, you're in charge of the camera, boy. You're gonna be.
Who's gonna be in charge of my phone?
Bruh, just fucking get video footage from that thing.
Are we really getting on the selfie stick?
Fuck yeah.
Fuck.
Everyone parks along the south side of the curb needs to move their vehicle. You're allowed to park along the freeway. But on the south side curb, where all these cars are starting at this BMW right now, needs to move immediately.
And no start recording too. I'm waiting for Kevin to pass. I'm like, Kevin! He's like, what's up, bro? I'm like,
Oh, that's all he's doing.
should we go get him? Grab him? Oh, no!